Iginit ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na wala siyang kinalaman sa kasong cyber libel ni Rappler CEO Maria Ressa.
At ayon sa Pangulo, hindi niya kilala ang nagsampa ng kaso laban kay Ressa at hindi rin siya nakikialam sa mga desisyon ng korte. Ang sentro ng balita mula kay Daniel Badalastas, live!
Aljo Angelic, iginiit ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na wala siyang kinalaman sa kontrobersiya na kinasasangkutan ni Rappler CEO Maria Ressa. Ayon pa sa Pangulo, hindi niya nga alam ang kasong kinasasangkutan nito, dahilan para arestuhin siya ng NBI.
That's Maria Josep. Apart from it, actually, I do not really o babae pati bata. Wala mo dyan. Hindi ko kilala yan si Deng, frankly. I do not know him and what prompted him to file a case.
Ito ang sagot ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa mga akusasyon ni Rappler CEO Maria Ressa na pakana ng administrasyon ang pagkakaaresto sa kanya. Nilinaw ng Pangulo na wala siyang kinalaman dito at hindi niya rin alam ang punot dulo at kinahantungan ng kaso. Matatandang naaresto si Ressa dahil sa kasong cyber libel na isinampa ng isang negosyante na si Wilfredo Keng at pansamantalang nakalaya matapos mapagpiyansa. Sagot ng Pangulo,
to those who are saying that this is an attack on the press freedom, on the media, and this is going to have a chilling effect, what's your response to that?
Kayo, matagal naman ako. Ibig sabihin, magpahal ba ako sa inyo?
But you are threatening to block their branches.
Yes, of course. But not because of that. But because of the money na tinanggap ng ABS na hindi lamang kami sinabihan na yung pinagbayaran namin na political advertisement time, hindi lang man natuloy.
Ayon sa Pangulo, sanay na siya sa mga ganitong klaseng paratang. Dahil noon pa lamang alkalde siya ng Davao City, marami na siyang kinaharap na kaso.
I've been mayor for so many years. I've been the subject of all kinds of attack, personal and whatever, silly and everything. And even coming in Nograles, that's why 3 cases against me, all reached the Supreme Court. I was acquitted on procedural and substantive. Yan Duterte versus Sandigan, that's a leading case. Kasi dinbanda ako ng Sandigan, so I went to the Supreme Court on certiorari. I was acquitted.
Dagdag pa ng Pangulo, batid niyang may pagkakaiba ang press freedom sa paninira sa isang kapwa. Ito ay matapos siraan siya umano ni dating senador at kolumnista na si Kit Tatad kaugnay sa kanyang kalusugan.
Ito si Tatad, ikaw Tatad, there's a border between press freedom and pagbabastos ng tao. Pag una kitang makita, iwasan mo ako. Sampalin kita. Maniwala ka, sampalin kita sa maraming tao. Magbiro ka ng gano'n na, Duterte, may cancer. Ikaw yung may diabetes. Kaya ikaw ay hindi na pwedeng mag-ganon. Ikaw, Tatad, yan. Kami, kabutsan, gano'n yan.
Iniit ng Malacanang na hindi ito issue ng press freedom, kundi isang kasong paglabag sa kasong cyber libel. Iginit ang palasyo na no one is above the law, kahit pa isang mamamahayag si Ressa. Narito ang pahayag ni Presidential Spokesman Salvador Panelo.
This is not a case of freedom of expression as you claim. It is a case of one man, in the person of the complainant, asserting his right under the law for a perceived violation of his right. That is why he filed a case against you. Now you say rule of law. Precisely the rule of law has been observed. A case was filed against you. A preliminary investigation was accorded to you. That is in accordance with law. That is a rule of law. And the prosecutor found probable cause.
Sinagot din ni Panelo ang reklamo ni Ressa na hindi siya pinagbigyan makapagpiyansa sa mismong araw na hinaiingan siya ng warrant of arrest. Bilang isang batikang abogado, naniniwala si Panelo na may kapabayaan dito ang mga abogado ni Ressa. Narito muli si Secretary Panelo.
Maria, you cannot blame the court, nor the government, nor this administration, nor the president on the incompetence of your lawyer. Your lawyer should have argued before the court that that's your case is grants you entitlement as a matter of right of bail. The absence of an information sheet is not an excuse not to grant you bail. Moreover, I cannot even understand, Maria, why your lawyers do not have a copy of the information filed against you. Now you complain about the arrest. I understand the case was filed 1 week earlier. But your lawyer was saying that, I saw him this morning on the TV program. He said, but Maria could not know that the case was filed a week earlier because she was not sent a copy. My goodness. Lawyers should always be on their toes.
Yan ang pinahuling balita mula rito sa Malacanang. Daniel Manalastas para sa Bayan.
Maraming salamat, Daniel Manalastas.